Hello guys, welcome to lesson 2 of the structure of an atom. I didn't want the lesson 1 to be lengthy, so we couldn't solve questions. In this lesson 2, we are going to solve questions on what we discussed in lesson 1. So if you have not watched lesson 1, please go back and watch lesson 1 before you come to lesson 2. So question 1 or example 1. Example 1. Example 1. I hope you can see. So let's say you go to exams and you see a question like this. You see a question like this. Or let's say X. Mostly they write it this way. And they ask you some questions on this one. I state the proton number. I state the electron number. I calculate the neutron number. So this question has been appearing a lot. I think I should add one to it. State the name of element X. We have already discussed this in lesson 1. Please, if you have not watched lesson 1, please go back and watch it. It will help you a lot. So in lesson 1, we discussed that in an atom or in a neutral atom, atomic number equal to proton number equal to electron number. So in a neutral atom or in an atom, atomic number is the same as proton number, is the same as electron number. And this is the atomic number. Atomic number is 12. So it says state the proton number. So proton number to be 12. So solution I, proton number equal to 12. It says state the electron number, and electron number is also equal to 12. So electron number is also equal to 12. It says calculate the neutron number. So let's say this is the structure of an atom. So we have this as the shell. I've already discussed this one in lesson 1. So please go back and watch it. This is the nucleus. And I've said that the mass of an atom is determined by the protons and the neutrons. So mathematically, we can say that, I believe we have already written the question. So let me clean this one. Okay, let me write it somewhere here. So mass number, mathematically, mass number equal to proton number plus, please write it in full. I'm trying to manage the space that I have over here. So mass number equal to the proton number plus the neutron number. So it says calculate the neutron number. And what's your mass number? Your mass number is 24. So 24 equal to proton number is 12 plus your neutron number. This is the symbol for neutron number, capital N. So change of subject, 24 minus 12 equal to N. So 12 equal to N. Therefore, your neutron number equal to 12. Therefore, your neutron number N equal to 12. So this is how you will calculate the neutron number. And the last question is, state the name of the element X. So you have to know all the first 20 elements so that immediately you see the atomic number, you can determine the name of the element. It is not your duty to know the mass number for now, but for now, you have to know the first 20 elements and the atomic number. So this is, atomic number 12 is called magnesium. So the name of the element is magnesium. This is a magnesium atom. Let us consider another example. And this example will be in the form of a statement. So example 2. What example should I write? Example 2. An atom has a proton number. An atom has a proton number of 20 and a neutron number to be 20. So an atom has a proton number of 20 and a neutron number also to be 20. Calculate the mass number. Calculate the mass number. Should the question be 1? Calculate the mass number. So I calculate the mass number. I calculate the mass number. I state the electronic configuration of the atom. State the electronic configuration of the atom. I state whether the atom is a metal. State whether the atom is a metal or not. So I'm going to solve the question 1. That is, calculate the mass number. State the electronic configuration and state whether the atom is a metal or not. I will make another video on metals, non-metals and semi-metals, and you will get to know. So write this question down. When we get there, you'll be able to determine metals and semi-metals from any elements that you'll be given, and state the electronic configuration too. That will be lesson 3. So in lesson 3, I will talk about electronic configuration and ions. So I'm going to solve question 1. In this question, an atom has a proton number of 20. So proton number, and the symbol is capital P. Proton number is 20. And the neutron number, please write it in full. The symbol is capital N. So you see, it's calculate the mass number. So let me write it at the top here. Let me clean this one. I hope you have already written the questions. We are going to talk about these two questions in other lessons. So, mass number. In lesson 1, I gave you 3 formulas for the mass number. So, mass number equal to the proton number plus the neutron number. The proton number is 20. The neutron number is also 20. So the mass number will be 40. The mass number will be 40. So this element is actually called calcium. This is calcium with atomic number 20 and a mass number of 40 with atomic number 20 and a mass number of 40. When you consider the first 20 elements, this is the last element. So I hope you have understood this lesson. We shall meet again in our next lesson where I will talk about valency, that is electronic configuration, and electronic configuration. I'll talk about valency, and also I'll talk about ions. That will be lesson 3. So see you in lesson 3. I don't want this video to be lengthy, so see you in lesson 3.